Hi, I'm Jocelyn, and I'm gonna teach you how to do a cartwheel. But before we do any of it, let's do stretches. We're gonna sit on the ground. We're gonna keep our legs like this, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna reach over our leg and hold it. Then we're gonna go to the other side and hold it, and then we're gonna do this for. And then we're gonna switch, and then we're gonna do this,
That's gonna be
and then this is, and then we're gonna do seal, which seal looks like this, and then we're gonna do basket, and now we're gonna do windmill. Now we're gonna do washing machine. That's the stretches for today. And now we're gonna I'm gonna teach you how to do a cartwheel. The basic part is you're gonna start like this with your kicking foot and like putting your kicking foot out, and then you're gonna put your hands up, and then you're gonna go down and do that, and you're gonna land like this. And then at the end, you're gonna do this. Now we're gonna do a handstand. And a handstand. So we're gonna put our hands up, and we're going in the same pose as cartwheel, but we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna go like that. We're gonna do this. And we're gonna try to hold it, but if you go backwards like I did, turn it into a cartwheel. So. But in order to hold yourself up with the cartwheel, you need to have arm strength, belly strength, and that's the strengths you would need to do a handstand, and same for a cartwheel. So I'm going to teach you how to do a handstand now. This is where you're gonna go in the same pose, but you're gonna go down like this, and then bend your knee a little bit, and then go up, and then keep your legs up, and then the same thing after that. You're gonna do this. Thanks for watching. Bye.